Alright, y'all. We got UJ chart breakdown, top down analysis. We're gonna start off with the monthly time frame. Definitely still bullish. It's bullish to its bearish, and it's bearish to its bullish. And we trade what we see, not what we think. So it's kind of pretty clear that the monthly time frame is bullish in this aspect. So but yeah, let's go to the weekly. The weekly, I'm gonna leave it at bearish because last week closed out extremely bearish. This last candle right here. Today is Monday, 3/20, 2023. So I'm gonna draw a blue line right here, kind of signifying some type of structure. So for me, when I draw a line like this, I'm trying to see if price was broken, structure was broken on the lower time frame, and most likely it did from that weekly. So let's go on the H4 or something. And yeah, it clearly did. This is the black line that we drew. Price came down and did what it did. So definitely closed out extremely bearish on the weekly. And this is also considered a bearish engulfing. I would normally say bearish variation. But yeah, be aware of this gap too. Be aware of the gaps because gaps always get filled for the most part. But we kind of just got to play off of where we are currently. We forecast, we try to stay ahead of the market. We anticipate, but we still can only place trades on what we know about the market right now, not what we're guessing. All right, so weekly bearish. Let's go to the daily. All right. Let me see. Daily time frame, I would definitely consider still bullish. Point A to point B. This is the push that I'm basing it off of right here. So from here to here. So to me, what I see is just a potential pullback. It can find a level of support somewhere around here. This is a nice wick right here. Wasn't really trying to draw any zones, but you can. You can draw a zone right here just to kind of give you, some awareness as far as like where structure is or where price may struggle. But yeah, price could literally come down, test this level of support, and shoot right back on up. But we don't know yet. We just gotta wait and see. So daily, I would definitely say still bullish. H4, pretty bearish. H4 is bearish because it's making lower highs and lower lows. So I'll draw it. I mean, that's what it's doing, it's making lower highs and lower lows. That's what we consider bearish or a bearish market. Delete this. So as far as the H4 is concerned, this was the counter trend line break right here. If you want to, look for some type of change of character or break of support, I would have drew it somewhere right here on the median area. Alright. right here. Definitely subjective, but I would have drew it somewhere along the lines of here. And you can clearly see this candle just going up, you know, lower time frame to see that it was broken. You know, price started to make lower highs and lower lows. Pretty self-explanatory for the H4, and you know, going downward. And it's a ripple effect, right? So it's a ripple effect, and it starts off on the smaller time frames and comes to the higher time frames. But we'll just have to wait for UJ. My previous videos, I was definitely saying that be open to the fact that UJ could potentially go down, because the monthly is bullish, extremely bullish, but all it would take is for this month of March. We're already at the 20th, so we'll have about 10 days left. All it would take is for this bar to come down and close beyond this candle right here. That's really it. Now, can it hold up? I don't know. We still have these gaps here, so, and we know gaps always close. We don't know when they close, but they always close eventually. But we kind of just gotta wait and see on that part. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it for UJ. Pretty easy to analyze, I think, right now. Just be open to the fact that each time frame has its own trend, you know, doing something different. But higher time frame volume is not to be gone against. So first is monthly, right? But things take a long time to happen on the monthly. So weekly, bearish, then the daily, which is still considered bullish. So this also depends on what type of trader you are. If you're a scalper, intraday trader, swing trader, it's good to know what the time frames are doing, so you can kind of, you know, get a good idea of what positions to take. Because right now, it's probably going to be sales and buys, considering what type of trader you are. Alright, but I'm going to wrap this one up and move on to the next pair. See y'all in the next one.